First thing you want to do is go to Amazon.com, right? We're just going to find a product here, any product. It doesn't really matter what it is. Say home and kitchen, right? Let's go over to the items in home and kitchen. Say this pan right here, right? It's a green pan, Lima 12-inch. It's $39.99 plus free shipping. Let's copy this title. Let's go over to eBay. We're going to paste that same title into eBay, and we're going to see how much it's selling for on eBay. So, right, it was $39.99 on Amazon. Let's see what it is on eBay. Boom. 47, 49, 56, 58, 53, 56, 52. You get the point. This works with any Amazon, or any product, really. You can make bank doing this. So what you want to do is you go to Amazon, you take these same pictures, use their same pictures, your same descriptions and everything. You go over to eBay and you list their products for a higher price. Okay, when someone buys your product on eBay, they send the money to your account through eBay. You take that money, you go back to Amazon, you order that item, you put their shipping address in and all their shipping information to Amazon, and you just keep the profit. So say I list this pan on eBay for $50, right? I sell it, the people send me $50. I go to Amazon.com, I buy the item for $40, I use their shipping information, and I'm left with $10 profit in my bank account. Now, if you do this with hundreds and thousands of products on eBay, you can really, really make money. There's people out there making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. All they're doing is drop shipping products. You don't have to have inventory. You don't have to buy products wholesale and stuff. You don't do anything but pretty much enter people's shipping information. This is all legal. You are the middleman. You're doing a service. It's really so easy. You can do it with any product. You see, let's try this little spatula. $6.99 on Amazon. Let's see how much it is on eBay. Type the title in. $6.99 on Amazon, right? $13, 13, 12. I'm not seeing the green one, but it looks like it's the same one. New, also good grip, now off flaps. Same thing. $13, $14 compared to $7.99 or $6.99. See, let's find another product. Let's try this thing. All right, so it's $11.97. See how much it is on eBay. 16, 15, 19, 19, 15, 14, 17, compared to $11.97. So you guys get the point. I hope you guys have good luck with this, and you